diving into high-stakes transportation, where you need nerves of steel and top-notch engineering to manage these huge loads. Buckle up for an exciting ride. During a daring rescue operation, an excavator unexpectedly tipped over, sending shockwaves through the scene. In a heart-stopping moment, the driver managed to escape just in time. He intended to help the stranded tractor, but in the end, he ended up destroying it instead. Imagine the LKT-8 1-turbo's shear force as it triumphantly hauls a massive log from the muddy wilderness. Its raw power and relentless drive are astonishing, showcasing unbelievable strength. This isn't your average trail ride. Living in RZ RXP on high-altitude terrain takes skill, precision, and a serious dose of guts.
Oh my God!
You alright, you okay? You alright, dude? Oh, I got this, wow. Join us as we put the DT30 to the ultimate test. We'll be taking it on a wild ride through icy landscapes and muddy trails to show you exactly what it can handle. The trailer was leaning before he even started the dump. When you need a truck that performs under pressure, the IFAW50 delivers. Whether it's deep mud or slippery slopes, this vehicle handles it all like a pro. Wow, it's an epic clash between Eric Levy and Mario Bombino. Diesel will win this high-octane battle. Share your predictions in the comments. Holy cow, did you see that? That tractor driver must have a guardian angel watching over them. The BV20. 6's amphibious capabilities are truly remarkable. Its articulated design and powerful tracks allow it to traverse rivers with ease, making it an invaluable asset in diverse terrains. You can see the vent Vario has 130 kilometers. And if it had no turn, the EMS would probably win. It has 82 horsepower because at the beginning, the EMS dragged it, it's unfair. You have to give the EMS 1221 equal power. But it would tear this vent apart because it weighs 6 times the EMS 1221. So the vent will have another beam. The silo explosion in Voorburg, Zuid-Holland was a disaster, caused by a catastrophic error. erupting the structure and sending debris flying, leaving the area in shock. Yeah. Wow! This is what it's like to see the streets through a manager's eyes while clearing snow. Looks like the Vladimir T-5 has met its match. With those massive straw bales. The excavator sank deep into the marsh. Its tracks bogged down in the muck. As panic set in, the owner sprang into action. With remarkable composure and quick thinking, watching those three-tracked vehicles trudge through the snow in perfect formation was a sight to behold until the piece of the bandage fell off the last one, slowing down its life. A reminder of how even the smallest malfunction can ripple through the whole system. Got a tricky container loading job. The Hyundai 7ODF-7 is here to help. Powered by a 73.6 horsepower HN. C/D for DD engine. It makes quick work of lifting and stacking, even in tight spots, ensuring everything fits perfectly. Example of how terrain mastery challenges even the most robust machinery. The Comas, with its sheer power, struggles as its tires spin, helplessly wasting torque and energy. It's a reminder that even the strongest needs strategy, not just strength.
Fertig! Und los geht's! Pass gleich auf. Es geht los. Okay, jetzt erst die wirkliche Runde. Die Steinkurve, die folgte eine einfache Steinkurve. Auch zugelassen, Loch, gleich hinten dran. Am Sandsack.
With the direction they were pulling the tree, it was clear they anticipated how it would fall. Thankfully, it seems there wasn't too much damage to the house. That's a monster convoy. 3 giant 60-meter-long trucks, each weighing 350 tons, navigate roundabouts and tight corners with ease. On their way to the Buda gas facility in Aubigny, sur Nord in France, these behemoths dwarfing everything in their path are a testament to the incredible engineering and logistical feats required to transport such massive structures. Anyone else in Elk River witnessed that massive beam moved by Lefebvre and Sons. Lefebvre and Sons recently moved Cretex's biggest beam ever, a 183-foot-long, 226,000-pound behemoth. That's some serious engineering and driving right there. Props to the team for handling such a colossal load with perfect. If you're looking for expert heavy haul transportation, look no further. In this stunning footage, watching Patrick Beekmans operate the gleaming Volvo FH167 50 while transporting the massive Liebherr 9 7 for excavator on the nut boom. 3-axle low loader is exhilarating. The way they navigate through diverse environments, from flat stretches to sharp bends, highlights the meticulous planning and skill required. In this industry, Skoons truly sets the bar high for oversized transport, proving that expertise and dedication lead to successful heavy-duty operations. On December 8, 2024, the superload destined for Intel through Etna, Ohio experienced significant oscillation when the rear vehicle halted, utilizing two trailers. Equipped with flexible pivoting wheels, the convoy was able to execute a precise turn around the sharp bend, maintaining full control throughout. This flawless maneuver highlighted the critical role of logistics, coordination in ensuring smooth, safe transport of such massive loads. Wow, look at the caster haulings. Vehicles hauling a 65-ton reel with 6,600 meters of cable up this corkscrew mountain road. Sharp turns push these beasts to their limits as engines roar through each bend. Their torque and traction are simply jaw-dropping. Man, these drivers are like superheroes. The mud was so thick that they powered through it. That truck just kept fighting, roaring to life as it climbed out. With some help from a tow, if you're planning road work, consider the road milling machine or pavement profiling machine. It can fill a pickup truck in 3 to 5 minutes and a dump truck in just 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring efficiency. This machine minimizes mess during trenching for curves and road expansions. With over 500 teeth on the milling drum and advanced hydraulic controls, it's an essential tool for contractors. Let's talk about the Bennett TP Cargo Ball. With hydraulic door, this loader is a master of his craft, loading massive blocks without damaging the skip. That's no easy feat. The rocks piled onto the truck compose serious risks of damage due to their weight with its hydraulic opening system. The Cargo Bull TP makes loading and unloading a breeze. The hydraulic mechanism at the back ensures quick and safe operation, boosting efficiency and reducing risks. Lasso Transports, well known for its specialized logistics in handling large, particularly complex loads like wind turbines, recently pulled off something extraordinary. They artfully maneuvered 65-meter-long wind turbine pieces from Damiel to the port of Montreal. This thrilling episode not only highlights their skills, but also cement Lasso's status as a top contender in Portugal's special transport scene. Stay tuned for more incredible feats.
Get real slow, I'm getting in my truck. Traffic will stay stopped till you're clear, Karen.
In Abbotsford, the process of making silage is an essential task for farmers. Crops are harvested and chopped into small pieces, then fermented to create feed for livestock. Picture this: a massive forage harvester ripping through fields, swiftly cutting crops into finely chopped silage. Following closely behind, a huge green transporter efficiently collects the chopped material and deposits it into containers. It's a well-coordinated operation, a precise dance of machines. The engine's roar is deafening, and you can almost feel the power as it fights to pull them out of that mess. They're stuck, but the battle's far from over. Watch how teamwork steps in to turn the tide. Ever wonder how they log on those crazy steep slopes? Well, I found out. They use this incredible machine, called the Ponzi Scorpion Giant, which is hooked up to a powerful winch system, called the Herzog Synchro Winch. The Synchro Winch provides controlled descent and ascent, ensuring stability and safety. It's like something out of a movie. This technology allows them to reach timber in places you wouldn't believe, all while keeping the logger safe and protecting the environment. I stumbled upon this stump grinding operation, and I couldn't tear myself away. The way that machine chews through that stump is mesmerizing. I started wondering about the mechanics of it, the powerful engine, the sharp teeth, the hydraulics that control the cutting wheel. It's a fascinating blend of brute force and precision engineering. This video really caught my eye. It seems like cutting up a tree in the road should be a pretty straightforward task, right? But this guy learned it the hard way, that it's not always that simple. Did he underestimate the weight of the tree? Maybe he didn't consider how the slope of the road would affect things. It's a good reminder that even seemingly simple tasks can have hidden complexities. Whoa, check out this homemade chainsaw mill I just found. It's so simple, but it totally works. Just slap your chainsaw on this frame and bam, you've got yourself a portable sawmill. I love how people come up with this stuff. Makes you wonder what else you could build with a little creativity, right? I was fascinated to learn about this unique logging operation in Kazakhstan. They're using helicopters to transport timber. Can you imagine? Apparently, it's all about minimizing the impact on the forest. They can reach areas that would be impossible with traditional logging methods. It's amazing to see how technology is being used to protect our forests. See that fallen tree on the slope? The real danger is the stump wanting to roll back. So what did these guys do? They used another log as a temporary support. Brilliant, it stabilized the stump during the cut. This is a great example of how loggers use their knowledge and experience to overcome challenges in the field. Whoa, that was a hard stop. For a split second, I thought that truck was a gunner. It's amazing how quickly things can go wrong on the road, especially in those conditions. It makes you appreciate the skill it takes to handle a heavy vehicle. Like that, I'm just glad everyone was okay. A real reminder to stay alert behind the wheel. In the world of firewood processing, efficiency and ease of use are paramount, and let me tell you, this Oak Series splitter delivers with a 25-ton splitting force in a rapid 6-second cycle time. It makes quick work of even the toughest logs. This translates to less time and effort, allowing you to focus on enjoying that warm fire instead of breaking your back. Working in the forestry industry comes with its challenges. Tough terrain, heavy loads, and tight deadlines. But the Gotma MP20 is here to make your life easier. Its agile steering allows you to navigate even the most challenging terrain, while its powerful crane makes light work of heavy lifting. This machine is the solution for increased efficiency and productivity in your forestry operations. All right, logging enthusiasts, let's talk about the Senna Bogan 830E. This machine is the real deal. It's got the power and durability to tackle any logging operation, and its user-friendly design makes it a joy to operate. Plus, with the option for an electric engine, you can minimize your environmental impact. It's a win-win for productivity and sustainability.